You know what's a real game changer? Coconut oil. It works like magic for so many things. Let me tell you where it works best. For hair. Dry frizzy hair. Coconut oil is the best natural conditioner. It nourishes, reduces hair fall and make hair super soft and shiny. For digestion. Coconut oil help in better digestion, reduce bloating and even boost metabolism for better gut health. For skin, if your skin feels dull or dry, coconut oil is the solution. It deeply moisturizes, heals cracks, and even work as a natural makeup remover. For weight management, it helps you full, giving instant energy and help burn fat naturally. Just add a little to your diet. So yeah, coconut oil is must have. One oil and so many benefits. Try it out and feel the difference. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, so please hit the like button, comment below which type of video do you want more, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.